Hey guys, Michelle here. Welcome to our 10-minute outer thigh workout. This workout is designed specifically to hit one muscle group. If you want a full body workout, make sure you go check out the other 10-minute workouts. If you can't join us right now, make sure you save this video to your watch later list and join us when you can. For this workout, we're going to be using blocks or honestly anything big or small. You just need to be able to lift your leg over, and so they're just really just placement points. And then we're going to be using a band, but don't worry if you don't have a band, it's okay. You can do the exercise definitely without them. So for our first exercise, I want to move these out of the way, and then we're going to get right into it. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you lay down. We're going to put our feet kind of in a pretzel triangle, and we're just going to bridge up. And so the most important thing as we're bridging up is we're squeezing our glutes right here. And we're going to do this for a minute. Breathe. Keep that core tight. Really squeeze while we're up. Good job, guys. Really squeeze, 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 squeeze those glutes. Deep breath. Go as high as possible. Bridge as high as you can and squeeze. Good job. And we are resting. All right, and now what I want you to do is we're gonna get into a side plank. So we're just gonna kind of bridge up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring one leg up and down. 30 seconds on this side. 30 seconds on the other. Keep that core tight. You guys are doing great. And we are switching sides. Remember, just bridge up. You guys are doing great. Keep that core tight. Almost through this 30 seconds. Breathe. Good job. And rest. All right, so now we're gonna go back on our back, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna bridge up and down. Up and down, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze as we bridge up. Keep that core tight. Keep your hands wherever they feel comfortable. Oftentimes I just like to lie them like right on my stomach. Squeeze and breathe. Squeeze. And now for the next exercise, we're going to be grabbing those blocks or anything that you can use just as a placement holder. But we got about 10 seconds left of this exercise. I just want to prepare you for the next one. Squeeze. Breathe, squeeze, 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 and rest. All right, come back up to a sitting position. Grab your object. Set them kind of like right on the outside of your legs. And what we're gonna do, if you want to brace yourself, you can put your hand. If you wanna really like rely on your core, then you don't have to use your hands, but we're just gonna go up and over, up and over, up and over, and then we're gonna get to 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2. And like I said, you can use your hands, but really try not to, because this way we're really using our core. And as slow as controlled, so try to really just tap the floor. You guys are doing great. Keep working, keep working. You guys are doing great. Breathe. And rest. And I am moving this item out of the way. And I am grabbing our band. If you don't have a band, remember, don't worry. But we're going to slip it around, place it around our knees. And what we're going to do is, these are called clams. We're going to keep our feet together. And we are just going to go up and down. Up and down for 30 seconds. Keep that core tight. Breathe. Up and down. "30 seconds on this side, almost there. Really squeeze as we're at the top. Squeeze that outer glute, outer thigh, and rotate. So we are switching sides and keeping our feet together and moving up and down, up and down, keeping our core tight and feet together and really squeezing, squeezing, squeezing. Deep breaths. And you can put this arm wherever feel comfortable if you want to lay your head on it or if you want to stick it straight out. Keep going and rest. All right, and now we're going to slip this back off and we're going to go into our first exercise, which is the frog squats. So back on your back, almost a pretzel position, and up and down. Deep breaths in, deep breaths out. Squeeze, 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 squeeze at the top and down. Really get that good squeeze. Let your hands lay wherever they feel comfortable. Deep breaths in and deep breaths out. Squeeze, push up as far up as you can get, and keep that core tight. You guys are doing great. Almost there. Keep pushing. Don't give up. Don't give up. And rest. And we're going to go back into our side planks. And up. Keep that core tight. Up. Really try to kick as far up as you can go. Deep breaths in. Really work. You might even feel it in the glute that is on the floor, and we're switching. All right, up on the side and go. Yep, like I said, you might feel it in this glute, and that's okay. Just don't quit. Keep working. Keep working. We're almost there. Halfway through this 30 seconds. Good job, guys. And rest. All right, back on our back for our bridges. And go. Remember to squeeze. Keep working. Don't quit on me. After this exercise, we're more than halfway through this workout. You guys are doing great. Put your hands wherever they feel comfortable. Really squeeze on the bridge up Halfway through. Core tight. You guys are doing great. Almost there, guys. Hang in there with me for a few more seconds. We got about like 10 seconds. And the next one, we're gonna be grabbing our objects or our blocks and rest. Come back up. Grab your objects, place them right outside your legs. And remember, you can put your hands down or you can try to do it without it. Nice, slow and control. Try not to slam the floor. Try to go as far out as possible. Keep that core tight. So try to sit up as high as we can as we move. You guys are doing great. More than halfway through this exercise. Really keep that core tight. Slow and controlled. And lift those legs up from the object that you chose. We got about 5 more seconds. And we head into our last exercise. And rest. Put these to the side. Grab our band. And then we are off to our 30-second clams. Keeping our feet together and up. Breathe. Keep that core tight. Almost there. Halfway through this 30 seconds. You guys are doing great. Don't give up. Don't quit. Make it through these last 30 seconds because we are switching. All right. And go. Remember, keep your hands wherever they feel comfortable. If you want to lay your head on it, feel free. Hang in there. We got about 15 more seconds. We're halfway through this 30 seconds. You guys are doing great. Deep breaths. Core tight. And rest. All right, sit back up. Pull the band off. And just kind of sit in our frog position, pretzel position. Just stretch a little, let our heart rate come down. And I just really want to thank you guys for joining. And I can't wait to see you next time. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and download our Yoga Plus app.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.